How to find if a number is prime, part 1. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to do a couple of videos on prime numbers. First, it may be 3, I know it's going to be 2. How to find a prime number. Then, how to find an nth prime number, basically any prime number, the 20th prime number, the 100th prime number, the 1000th prime number, which haven't really thought about that, but that would take a while to do. And then maybe even a list of the first 30 prime numbers. But today's video is going to be how to identify a prime number. And basically, let's really dive into we've got to understand what a prime number is. So a prime number is only evenly divisible by 1 and itself. So perfect example is 2. 2 is the only even prime number. It is divisible by 2 and 1. So we need to really dig into this. All right, so this is where we take our human brain and begin to morph it into Python brain. So, all right, we're just going to go and we're going to hard code this. So first we do def is prime. We're going to just give it a number. So, all right, so how are we going to do this? So if we think about the number 3, or we have 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. But so what is the definition? So how are we going to do this? So it has to be, so wait a second. How are we going to first even identify when will we know it passes or when will we know it fails? So this is where the intricacies of really problem solving and then really deep diving into a problem. So what would be a way to look at this? So there's a lot to unpack here. So it has to be a number that is evenly divided. So here's a perfect example. So why isn't 4 a prime number? Okay, so it's divisible by 4. It's divisible. Okay, it's not divisible. It's not evenly divisible by. Wait a second. Okay. So this is what we need to think about. Here are the rules where we go, and you have to really deep dive into the explanation of what the human brain is to a Python brain. So here's the definition of a prime number. You can only have a number that has a 0 remainder. So we're going to go from evenly divisible to a remainder of 0. So wait a minute. All right. If you haven't seen this operator yet, it's the modulo. Okay. This gives you the remainder. So 2 evenly divides into 4, and you get 2. So there is a 0 remainder. So here's step 1. So how you can even, and it looks like we're probably going to break this up into 2 videos, is if x divided by something, then how do we test? How do we test for evenly divisible? So then we would do something like this. To do equivalency in Python, we do 2 equal signs. So right here, 4 modulo 2 double equal signs equivalent to 0. Boom. So, all right. So how are we going to, and what are we going to do to solve this right here. So we've already solved basically what we're going to identify, how we're going to identify what will be a divisor. So we need to really, so how are we going to go and check what numbers to check? So we've identified something. We need to identify some sort of operation here, then divisible by this, equivalent to 0, then we're going to do something. So what we need to do is, how are we going to identify it, and then what are we going to do? Okay, I think this is a great stopping point. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.